guys, and here's story time. This gumball machine regular reacted. But before we do that, like guys, in the cookie video, we had like the same thing, but I'm gonna talk differently about the gumball machine. So here's about the gumball machine. The gumball machine actually works, and here how it works. I'm just gonna twist this, and I just got an M&M. I'm just gonna eat this M&M. Oh boy. Oh. It's hard. But anyway, thank you so much for 90 subscribers. And by the way, the video's not done yet. So here's a gumball machine. I got it from Chuck E. Cheese, a prize winner. And I got like I think it's 200 or 300 tickets. So not really much for this video. But yeah, that's it. Bye bye.